Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 2. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Right? Let us draw. First of all, let us draw the triangle, required triangle. First of all, what I have to do? Draw a triangle, isosceles triangle such that the length of each of its side is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Right? Let us draw. First of all, take a ruler. Let us take a ruler. Here we have taken a ruler, right? And we draw one side is 6.5 centimeter, right? From here we will draw a line that is equal to 6.5 centimeter. This is 6.5 centimeter, right? Now we will take the protector. We will take the protector to make an angle of 110 degree, right? Let us take the protector. Here we are taking the protector, right? With this protector we will make an angle of 110 degree, right? Here you see this is our protector. We have put the protector in the right position or proper position. After that we will make an angle of 110 degree, right? Here you see this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 100, 110, right? 100 degree. This is 100 degree. Here you see this is 0 to 20, that means this is 10 degree, right? Therefore this is 90, this is 100, this is 110, this point, right? Let us take this point. Let us take this point. This point is 110 degree. This is the point in which we are getting 110 degree. This point, right? Now, if we draw a line, now draw this line with the help of the ruler, so that you may get 110 degree. 110 degree. Let us draw 110 degree. If we draw this side, that will comes to that will 110 degree. We are drawing this angle, right? We are drawing this angle to make it 110 degree. Right, right? You want to draw this line. Right? That means this angle is 110 degree, right? Now you have to take one line that is equal to 6.5 centimeter, right? With the help of this ruler, we will take 6.5 centimeter, right? Let us take, this is our ruler, and with the help of compass, let us take a compass first. With the help of compass, we will take this. We will take a length of 6.5 centimeter. Here you see will take 6.5 centimeter. Put the pointer at 0 point and take an arc of 6.5 centimeters. This is 3.9, 4, 5, 6 and 6.3, 4 and 5. Right? This is exactly 6.5 centimeter. Now we'll draw this arc from here. We'll draw this arc 6.5 centimeter. This was somewhat less. Let us extend this line. You have to extend this line somewhat more to get 6.5. Let us extend this line. Let us extend this line to get 6.5 centimeter. Right? Now if we extend this line, right? Now we will draw 6.5 centimeter here. This is 6.5 centimeter. Take this pointer at this point, take this pointer at this point and make an arc with a length of 6.5 centimeter. Right? Take this pointer at this point here and make an arc here. Right? Now with the help of the ruler we'll join this point and this point. Right? With the help of ruler we'll join this point with this point. Right? I will draw this line or join this line. Right? We make this triangle, and if we put the various name, that is name of the triangle, suppose take the name of the triangle as this is A, this is A point, this is B point, and this is C. These are the vertex of the triangle, and this angle is 110 degree. This angle is 110 degree, 110 degree, and this side is 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, and this AB side is also 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. Right? That means we have got AB is equal to BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, and angle ABC is equal to 110 degree, 110 degree. Right? So this is an isosceles triangle. This is the required isosceles triangle. So this is the required isosceles triangle. Required Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.